Hello guys, welcome to your new YouTube channel. Let's learn together. From today onwards, I'm going to start a new video series on programming with Node.js. I'll try to cover as much as I can in this series. So I hope you'll learn how to program with Node.js by watching this series. So today I'm going to simply explain like who developed the Node.js and how it is different than existing framework which we are having. So Node.js was developed by Rehan Dell in 2009 and it is developed in C or C++. Don't get confused that Node.js is developed in JavaScript or in any other language. It is developed in C or C++. And Node.js free and open source JavaScript runtime. Here we can see it's clearly mentioned it is JavaScript runtime. So don't take it for any language. Node.js is a language or it is a framework. It is a runtime which server side runtime which is used to execute the JavaScript on server side. We know JavaScript we have been using to do the different validation on client side or anything, any manipulation in DOM if we want to do, we are using JavaScript jQuery, but Node.js is a bit different. So Node.js is, as I told, free and open source server side JavaScript runtime which is mostly used to create the network or distributed application. Node.js is based on event-driven network. As and when any event occurs, like someone clicks on a button, that any action which or whatever we do on computer is an event. So Node.js is an event-driven network or an event-driven framework built on the top of Google Chrome's JavaScript runtime V8 version. Node.js uses single-threaded model non-blocking or we can call asynchronous coding pattern. That means uh, it uses only one thread to process all the requests. So all the requests are being handled by the single thread in case of Node.js, which is totally different than the other conventional uh, server, which as and when we click on any site, it goes to server and then server creates a different. Suppose two users are logging into one application, two different threads being created in case of the traditional models. But in case of Node.js, as many users are logging in to only one thread will take care of the complete request processing. So we can build highly scalable networking application by using Node.js, and Node.js can run on various platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, etc. And it is being used by Uber, Netflix, Paytm. There are so many use cases which you can find out in Node.js platform which are successfully using Node.js. So I told you it was developed by Raha Dell. So this is the person you can go about the history in Wikipedia. So it was developed by Rahandel in 2009. So this is the picture taken in 2010, which is there in this Wikipedia page of him. So now next thing is, how do we install the Node.js? So to install Node.js, they have their site like nodejs.org. So here we can click on downloads. Then based on it has three different version, for one for Windows, Mac OS and source code. So because I have Windows, I've been using Windows, so Windows 64 version. I'll click on this version and let's wait for it to get installed. So I'll double click on this and install the. Click on next and this wizard, accept the license. Next. Okay, I'll keep it the default installation location. Install. Okay, so installation is completed. So I'll go here. Once the node is installed, we'll go to command prompt to check if which version of node is installed. We can type node one version. So version 8.11.3 is installed, and whenever we install the Node.js, it automatically install npm. So we can check npm is node package manager. So we can check its version also. So the version of npm is 5.6.0. I'll explain in later video session what is this npm. So in this video tutorial, we have learned about the history and why to use Node.js, and then we have installed the Node.js. From next video onward, we'll be seeing how to program in Node.js. I hope you have also installed the Node.js and you'll be ready in the next video session for programming with me. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.